In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure to remove quick ad suggestion on Snapchat. To do it so, you have to watch this video right till the end. First thing, open up your Snapchat application and log in. Then go to the chat page from the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll then need to click on this plus icon in the top of the page. Here, what you have to do is, in order to remove them, you go to the find friend option and you simply want to click on the cross icon just like that. And once you actually do it so, just like this, you have to do it one after the another, and that way you'll be able to remove quick ad suggestion on Snapchat. Now the other way to do it so is that you simply want to click on this arrow icon in the top left hand side corner, click the Bitmoji icon, then go to the gear icon or the settings page. When you are taken to the settings, scroll down a bit, go to privacy and control. Under it, you could find a lot of options. You could either go to see me in friends, just like that, or you could just toggle the button for this. Or else, you also want to go ahead and look for a quick tap to snap. When you have this on, you could just go ahead and make sure to toggle the button or turn it off. This is also going to remove quick ad suggestion on Snapchat from further on. That's how you could do it so. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.